Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the flapper door hinge in the Samsung refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For this job, we're going to need a Phillips screwdriver and a really small flat blade screwdriver. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new flapper door hinge. This flapper door hinge is mounted on the top of the flapper door. It assists in latching the door into the door holder. The main reason for the flapper door hinge to be replaced is if it breaks, causing the French door not to close properly. To get to the part, we need to open the left side French door. Next, I'm going to open the flapper door and I'm going to expose these two Phillips screws. I'm going to use this Phillips screwdriver. I'm going to take out these screws and press the whole thing up. Don't get too excited. I'm going to pull out the harness and need to disconnect this plug. I'm going to press down here on the tab and pull that plug apart. Next step would be taking this flapper door to the table and we're going to remove this upper hinge. Let's bring this flapper door to the workable surface, and then we need to remove this cover. I'm going to use this small flat blade screwdriver. I'm going to place it right here and pry it open. Then we can remove it. And now we're going to slide this flapper door hinge out. This is the old flapper door hinge next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Okay, so we're going to install this new hinge right in this cutout, just like that, and slide it in. Now I'm going to bring the cover and I'm going to install it. We have this tab here, goes into this opening, and we're going to press this side down to lock. We're going to install the flapper door. Plug this first. And I'm going to hide the plug into this opening. Alright, I'm going to install all the three hinges. Make sure that they're all facing the door, like that. And I'm going to install them. Align all three of them and then push it down. And now I'm going to secure it with a couple of screws. I'm using a Phillips screwdriver. Next, I'm going to close the flapper door. Make sure it's closed, otherwise the door won't close. And we're going to close the door. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.